Hello friends, it's Julia Lipovsky and I'm here soaking up some sun in my car at Mt Airy Forest. And today I want to show you how I draw a tree but make a valentine out of it. So let's try it. Okay, so I picked out my tree. She's beautiful. I've got my drawing board and a piece of paper that I folded in half twice. Quarters, because Valentine's, are kind of supposed to be like small and cute. And I'm going to draw my tree in the front, and then I'm going to come up with a really clever pun to put on the inside. To show you the inside of my Valentine, and I hope that this inspires you to send some messages to your friends.
This month, families explored Mt Airy Forest during an art play hike and learned how to look for signs that animals had been there. Families discovered tracks in the snow from squirrels, deer, dogs, and also people. Squirrel drays were also found. These insulated nests are built from twigs, dry leaves, and grass, and are typically assembled in the forks of tall trees. While hiking, we examined a maple tree and learned about the sap flowing up and down inside the tree. People collect the sap and boil it down to make yummy syrup. It takes 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of syrup. Holes were also spotted in the maple tree from the yellow-bellied sapsucker. This bird taps holes to drink the sap and also eats the insects that are attracted to the flowing sap. Families also got to meet a furry friend of the park, Alice the albino rabbit. She helps the Parks Department with their educational programs. While out exploring in winter, you can collect dry leaves, bark, berries, and moss to create a nature bracelet to give to someone you love. All you need are natural materials, a recycled paper towel roll, and some sticky tape. To create the base of your bracelet, cut a paper towel roll on one side from one end to the other. Then cut the roll into 2 to 3 inch wide sections. Add tape or contact paper, sticky side up, to the cuff, attaching it at each end with tape. Use the nature materials that you've collected and any recycled materials from home to decorate your bracelet. The items you use will tell a story of the hike you took and the interesting items you discovered along your walk. What patterns will you create with your supplies?